Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Software Engineer K here. Today we're going to be going through the Mermicon drop. I'm going to be showing you guys myself getting the ultra rare, and I'm going to be going through some issues that VeVe definitely needs to address. So I am a software engineer and I can understand exactly how difficult it is to scale up an app so fast when your user base is increasing so fast as well. I've made some bugs in production myself in the past. This kind of stuff does slip through. So I just want to highlight some of the issues that affect user experience and also my speculation as to how VeVe they've managed to go about improving the app and just addressing something that I've noticed. So I've noticed that certain users are seeing NFTs being sold out, whereas others are still able to purchase. I'm going to speculate as to why this exactly is happening. So firstly, straight off the bat, I was able to get the ultra rare as you saw, and here you can see that I saw sold out on the rare. And now what I believe is happening is to address the concurrency issue, so loads of people buying the NFTs at the same time. What they've implemented is some form of queuing system where once you click buy now, your user account has its own user ID, and I believe that ID is added to some form of queue that acts as a whitelist, so that once you've been added, you will have a chance to buy. And what happens is once the number of users within that queue is at the same amount as the capacity for tokens available, so let's say there's 3,000 NFTs that you can buy, and then there's 3,000 users that have been added to this queue, they will now display a sold out symbol to anyone else who is trying to attempt to buy it. However, just because you're in this queue doesn't mean you've actually completed your purchase yet, which is why I believe those users who did click on buy now, they were getting the ability to buy, whereas those who hadn't, they were seeing sold out. Now you can see that I saw an error here, no object error. Here you go again, you can see it again. This is an error coming from the backend code somewhere. I believe the API that's called from by the front end, it's getting this error and it's just displaying it in a banner. So the banner is just displaying some form of content that it's getting back, which would be in this case be the error. The user is not supposed to see an error like that. And there was another error as well, JSON passing, token passing error. I believe that may be in the case that in certain cases you'll get a character that's not passed, so that response is not loaded correctly into the banner. And this shouldn't happen. What should happen is errors such as that, these kind of developed technical errors, they should be handled in a way where the user sees a generic error, such as, if you get the token passing error or whatever, it should show you the generic, transaction could not be complete, try again. It shouldn't actually tell you, there was a no object, or, there was an issue passing the JSON. So what essentially happened was, as I was trying to buy the uncommon, I ended up buying 3 of them without actually intending to, just because I kept getting the errors. And even though I got the errors, the transaction did go through. So I'm not going to complain, but I'm sure some people who only wanted to buy 1, they end up buying 3, and then that kind of ruined their gem balance. So this is something that VeVe definitely needs to address. Now here's just me showing my new NFT. So you can see I've got the ultra rare as well. I've just made that one gigantic, and I've got the 3 uncommon ones as well, so I've added those to my previous 2 Ultramans. So I just wanted to show you guys the kind of process of buying it, the process today. So it has improved a lot, so I definitely give them props to that. But yeah, there you go guys, decided to go to the park and shoot this one. So thanks again so much for watching guys. I will keep you guys updated, but please do pass on my concerns to the VeVe people if you can, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.